Hey guys, and here and in this quick video I would like to show you how to take off the rear door panel in 2014 and up Subaru Forester. I would like to show you on this side. It's a very simple procedure. Lots of times people use it to fix lots of different issues with the car. So I'm gonna show you how to take it off. It's actually a very simple procedure. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna get two screwdrivers, flathead and Phillips. So I have my screwdrivers here, and first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna open this lid with the screwdriver or with the nail if you can. I can't. So carefully, not to scratch everything, nice and gentle, just open it up. You have a screw here, don't lose the cover, and another screw is going to be in here. Same thing with the screwdriver, carefully, not to scratch stuff, easy, open it, and here it comes. So we have screws here and here, so take the Phillips screwdriver and remove it. Okay, so our screws are here, and I have to warn you, most likely we're gonna break some clips in this scenario. If you don't have a special tool to get the clips out, you're most likely gonna break some. But the good thing is they are not that crazy necessary and important, so the car's gonna still drive without them and the door's gonna still hold fine, so no worries if you're gonna break a couple of them. Okay, so let's start. The thing is, right now we got all the screws out and the door is being held down by the clips, which some of them we're gonna break right now. And we have to find some leverage point, like here for example, and unclick the first clip. Oh. Oh, here we go. That's it. We unclicked the door panel from the door, and now just raise up the panel. Oh, okay. So here's another thing we have to remove. Use screwdriver. Carefully, don't scratch anything. There's also a clip, and it came out. You see, there's this clip, just clicks in. Good. And now raise up to the panel. That's it, very simple. Over here we have a handle which we have to disconnect like this. Just pull out the cable from here and here. Okay, then we have to disconnect this connector. Screwdriver might help. Press here and spin. And take it out. That's it, the panel is off. Very simple. Now you can get to the speaker or window regulator or glass if you have to take it out. Everything is accessible. To put everything back together. Oh, right, by the way, forgot to tell you. We actually didn't even break any clips. Got lucky this time, but still, if you can see, this clip stayed in door. What we have to do, we have to take it out using screwdriver or pliers or anything, and put it back in the panel. So right here. Okay, so we're gonna put it back in there. So I'm gonna do that, and then we're gonna just click the back panel. So I took the clip out, just put it back in place like this. Okay, now connect the connector, links, Next step, put the top first, like this. Make sure it's aligned and everything's nice. Then you have to align clip, like here, there's the hole, and smack on it. That's it, now it holds down. Last step, we got 2 screws, put them back in place, here and here. Then don't forget to put the covers, and you're all set. So guys, oh, by the way, this thing also goes here. So guys, hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.